The AI revolution, your career's best friend or worst enemy. Hey, digital nomads, picture this. While everyone's freaking out about ChatGPT writing the next great American novel, you're chilling on a Bali beach, coconut in hand, laptop nearby, crushing it in your AI-proof career. Sounds pretty sweet, right? While the media is going crazy about robots stealing our jobs, I've got a little secret for you. Not all careers are heading to the digital dumpster. In fact, some of them are getting a major upgrade thanks to our AI buddies. Welcome to another episode from the Digital Nomad Institute, where today we're diving deep into the ultimate guide of future-proof careers that AI can't touch. Trust me, this is going to be good. Introduction: Why AI-proof careers matter in 2025. My story: from cubicle to freedom. Let me tell you something funny. 5 years ago, I was sitting in a corporate cubicle, wondering if a robot would eventually take my job as a data analyst. Plot twist: I didn't wait to find out. Instead, I founded the Digital Nomad Institute, and now I help people like you find their path to location-independent, future-proof careers. The truth about AI automation. Now, here's the tea. According to McKinsey, about 60% of jobs won't be replaced by AI, they'll be enhanced. That's right. While everyone's running around like chickens with their heads cut off, smart professionals are learning to dance with the robots, not fight them. The three human superpowers. What makes a career truly AI-proof? It's all about three human superpowers that even the fanciest AI can't replicate. Creativity, that spark of genius that makes you go, what if? Emotional intelligence, because let's face it, you wouldn't want a robot therapist. Complex problem solving, the kind that makes AI go, error 404, solution not found. 5 recession-proof careers that AI can't replace. Mental health counseling, the human connection champions. Let's be real, would you rather spill your deepest secrets to ChatGPT or a human who actually gets it? That's why mental health counselors are crushing it right now. With remote therapy platforms booming, you can help people while working from literally anywhere. Average salary: a sweet $70,000 to start, with some private practitioners making well into six figures. Creative direction and brand strategy, the Vibe's masters. Here's where it gets fun. Creative directors are like the conductors of the brand orchestra, using AI as their instrument, not their replacement. You're the one who knows that a brand needs to feel like a warm hug, not a cold algorithm. Starting salary: around $85,000, with experienced directors hitting $150,000. Experience design, the feel-good architects. From user interfaces to physical spaces, experienced designers are the wizards making sure everything feels just right. AI can crunch numbers, but it can't tell you why a button feels wrong or why a space makes people uncomfortable. Entry-level positions start at $65,000, with seniors easily reaching $120,000. High-end hospitality, the luxury life curators. Think AI can replicate the perfect blend of charm, intuition, and personalized service? Nope. High-end hospitality professionals are making bank by providing those unforgettable human touches, starting around $55,000, with luxury resort managers earning up to $200,000 plus perks. Environmental conservation, the planet's saviors. Climate scientists and sustainability experts are using AI like a trusty sidekick, not replacing themselves with it. You'll be out there saving the world while AI crunches the numbers. Entry-level positions begin at $48,000, with experienced professionals reaching $100,000. Your AI-proof future starts now. Your secret weapon toolkit. Remember those three superpowers we talked about? Emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and human connection. They're your ticket to the future. While AI is getting better at crunching numbers, it's getting nowhere near these uniquely human skills. Join our tribe. The Digital Nomad Institute community is full of people just like you who've made the leap into AI-proof careers. And let me tell you, they're crushing it. Drop a comment below about your career dreams. Are you ready to become a digital nomad therapist? A traveling creative director? Let's hear it. And hey, if you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to join our tribe of future-proof digital nomads. Remember, while AI is changing the game, you're about to become the referee. See you in the next video.